In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Outlook calendar details. If you share your calendar with coworkers or family, or if others can see your availability, this quick setting helps protect your privacy by hiding the specifics of certain events while still showing that you're busy. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. Once you're in Outlook on the web, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Click it to open a quick panel of options. From there, open the Calendar settings. This takes you into the area where Outlook controls how your calendar behaves. Inside the Calendar section, find and select events from email. This is where Outlook manages items it automatically creates based on messages it detects, like flight confirmations, hotel reservations, delivery updates, or other recognized events. Now, look for the option that says Mark events as private on my calendar so only I can see them. Check that box. What this does is simple but powerful. Any event Outlook creates from your emails will be marked as private on your calendar. That means when someone else views your calendar, say a colleague with view access, they won't see the event's subject, location, notes, or other details. They'll typically just see that time as busy, depending on your organization's policies. After you've checked the box, be sure to click Save. This locks in your preference and ensures it applies going forward. If you ever need to change this behavior later, you can come back to the same events from email area and uncheck the box. A couple of quick tips while we're here. First, this setting focuses specifically on events that Outlook creates automatically from emails. It doesn't change the visibility of calendar entries you create manually. If you want a specific meeting you created to be hidden from others, you can set that individual event to private when you're editing it. Second, interfaces sometimes vary slightly, so if you're using a different theme or an updated layout, the wording and placement may look a little different, but the path, settings, calendar, events from email remains the same in Outlook on the web. That's it. You've told Outlook to hide the details of events it builds from your emails, keeping sensitive information out of view while preserving your availability. Click Save, and you're all set.